Are you looking for the best 360-degree dash cam? In this video we will break down top 5 best 360-degree dash cam on the market this year. Based on performance and situations they will be used in, we will have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to see stay up to date technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Number 5. Brand name, Lingdu, model number, LD06. The LD06 Dash Cam has an integrated GPS tracker on the top mount for accurate tracking of your vehicle's location, speed and route. This feature provides valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes, enhancing the dash cam's practicality. With the excellent Sony IMX415 sensor, f1.75 aperture lens and wide dynamic range technology, Lingdu camera provides exceptionally clear images even in difficult lighting conditions. The night vision function ensures that the recordings are of high quality even during night driving. With the Lingdu app, you can connect to the LD06 Dash Cam's Wi-Fi for convenient playback, downloading and sharing of recordings without removing the storage card. The camera provides high-resolution 5K, which ensures extremely detailed and clear recordings, important for identifying details on the road. The camera has special parking modes that monitor the vehicle while it is parked. Number 4. Brand name, 70Mi, model number, X800, equipped with Starvis 2, the dash cam front and rear captures 88% more light for sharper, more detailed footage in low-light conditions. 70Mi X800 records everything while the car is moving, turns around and records any motion activity while the car is parked, such as theft, hitting another car, etc. With a 360 degrees rotating design powered by dual Hall effect sensors and the equipped magnetic system, the 4K Omni delivers precise lens positioning and flawless rotating, ensuring zero blind spots while doubling as a fun travel vlog recorder to capture every moment of your journey. Number 3. Brand name, Vantrue, model number, Nexus 5. The Vantrue Nexus 5 is the newest cutting-edge dashcam designed to be the total package in video recording coverage. This innovative 4-channel design features built-in interior-facing cameras on both the front and rear dash cam modules, providing complete coverage inside and outside of your vehicle. Adopted dual-core processor, this world's first 4-channel dash cam with 158 degrees front camera, 160 degrees front cabin camera, 160 degrees rear cabin camera and 165 degrees rear camera can record the front, rear, cab and sides of cars simultaneously. Vantrue Nexus 5 coupled with the distinctive wide dynamic range technology that auto-adjusts exposure and balances light and shadow. It records significantly more details in ultra-low light conditions, ensuring clarity even on dimly lit roads. This unique camera eliminates blind spots and ensures comprehensive coverage, including the trunk, back seat and side windows. Enjoy peace of mind while traveling with a baby in the back seat and maintain the safety of the cargo area and possible side accidents. The rear camera also employs 4 infrared LEDs and HDR technology, making it an ideal dashcam solution for rideshare, Uber, Lyft or commercial fleet drivers. This unique camera eliminates blind spots and provides comprehensive coverage, including the trunk, back seat and side windows. Enjoy peace of mind while traveling with a baby in the back seat. With 5G Wi-Fi and dual system GPS module, this 4-lens dash cam boasts 4x faster transfer speed and more accurate positioning function. It allows you to adjust settings, preview, edit and share online, track location, live speed in kilometers per hour or miles per hour and route via free Vantrue app. One click to download mileage analysis reports which serve as crucial evidence after road incidents. Number 2. Brand name, Asdome, model number, M660. Asdome M660 Dash Cam features 4-channel recording that provides complete 360 degrees coverage, eliminating any blind spots for driver. With a front dash cam of 2.5K and additional channels at 1K, every angle is captured in stunning detail. Equipped with WDR Super Night Vision and infrared lighting, this dash cam delivers clear footage in low light conditions. M660 left and right cabin cameras each feature 6 built-in IR LEDs, improving nighttime video quality and ensuring clear capture of all recording details in low-light conditions. Number 1. Brand name, Vantrue, model number, E360, Vantrue E360 equipped with a quad-core CPU, dual 210 degrees lenses and Vantrue's image stitching tech. The E360 Dash Cam captures smooth 5.2K 360 degrees panoramic footage with no blind spots. It also offers unique fisheye plus fisheye and dual fisheye modes. Equipped with 5 GHz high-frequency Wi-Fi, the Dash Cam enables quick and easy setup on your smartphone. You can effortlessly view, edit and download video clips, as well as share them on social media platforms, significantly faster than with the original 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The E360 Dash Cam allows you to take photos, toggle audio, turn Wi-Fi on or off and lock videos using voice commands in multiple languages. This ensures hands-free operation and helps you focus on driving safely. The dual-system GPS module not only logs accurate location, live speed in kilometers per hour or miles per hour and driving route but also precisely analyzes driving data for you. The mileage analysis reports will be your strong evidences in insurance claims or disputes. The 1.54-inch IPS touchscreen with intuitive operation interface makes it easy to access the shortcut or main menu and switch camera views with a simple swipe. Automatically locks emergency videos into the event video folder when any collision is detected, preventing them from being overwritten. Supports online firmware upgrades without the need for disassembly. Firmware updates can be easily conducted via the app, ensuring the Dash Cam always operates at its best.